How to remove a person from a photo in Canva. In this video, I will show you how to remove a person from a photo in Canva. The first step is to open the Canva website or mobile application because the tutorial is the same. After that, tap on the plus icon here to create a new canvas where the image will be placed. As you can see, Canva is giving us several suggestions here for canvas sizes. I will create a custom size that meets my needs. So, to do that, tap here, Custom Size. After that, you will get this page where you are required to enter the canvas width and height measurements. Make sure you enter the same numbers as mine, or you can enter your own dimensions too. After that, you can choose between the types here whether you want them to be in pixels or other types. I will leave it as it is. When you are ready, tap here, Create New Design, and Canva will start processing your input to create the canvas size you have requested. Finally, the canvas is ready as you can see. The next step is to put the image on the canvas. You can do this in two ways. Tap on the plus icon here. You can either add an image from the device you are using by tapping on the upload icon here. Or you can use an existing image on Canva by tapping on this option here named Elements. I will use this option. After that, look for an image with a person in a photo. I will use this one here. As you can see, the image has been loaded to the canvas. After that, go ahead and resize the image. When you are done resizing the image, tap on the image so that the menu with the options we need appears from the bottom, as you can see from here. After that, go ahead and tap on this option here named Effects. Once you do that, you will see several effects that can do different options. From them, look for one named Magic Eraser. Here it is, tap on it. Next, you will see this slider appearing at the bottom. You can resize the brush size according to the size you prefer. Just pull the soldier until you see the right size. The brush will appear on the person as you can see from here. Next, go ahead and start brushing over the person. Don't stop the process and continue until you have brushed over the entire person, just like I'm doing. When you are done, stop brushing and Canva will automatically start removing the person from the photo. Give Canva time and the process will be completed, just as you can see from here. The person has been removed from the image. After that, go ahead and download the image. That is how to remove a person from a photo in Canva.